The Senate Committee, where they oversee tertiary institutions and TET fund, don't show strong presence for the 2025 Unified Tertiary Matriculation Examination (UTME). Senator Mutari Danduse, wey lead the committee, plus im members waka reach different exam centers for Abuja to monitor how the exam dey go. Dem hail JAMB for the better surveillance system and proactive steps wey dem put to make sure say the exam pure. The committee call advise students say make dem avoid any form of malpractice and come praise the calm and orderly way wey the exam centers take conduct themselves. Senator Danduse constantly talk say the Senate committee ready to support any law wey go straighten the fight against exam malpractice for the country.
Important development, and hence the responsibility given to us as stakeholders. These are my colleagues who are here to ensure that Nigeria is set in a global arena as regards to educational system. This is one of the foundations that makes education to be in the universities. You have to write these exams, and you have seen it yourself, and I believe it's very commendable, and it's very important for us today.
Are you satisfied with what you have
your
seen?
assessment,
In
sir?
actual sense, if you look at it, it's well prepared, and it is very satisfied. What they are doing it in batches because of the number of intakes, those that are going to write the exams. I think today they have 3 batch, and this first batch is almost finishing. So the second batch are the ones on the queue, so that they can enter and write the exams. So it's commendable, and it's well arranged and well prepared. We want to appreciate the effort of the registrar of JAMB, who is highly transparent and very commendable in terms of what he has done. He has bring transparency and also sanity in all the exams malpractices in the JAMB setup. So we are commendable for what he has done. What is important and very fundamental, JAMB has taken care of, even if there is any malpractice or anything, because I have seen it as a stakeholder when we have a retreat with them. They even discover those that steal some of their livestock, so they have a tracker to ensure that everything is monitored, and they have CCTV to monitor all their sites throughout the country. And also they set a standard of making sure that no any person will be admitted without the due approval, without passing the exam. So this is commendable, and I think it's timely to support and enhance educational system in Nigeria. Our essence as lawmakers is to ensure that all Nigerians are supposed to study in Nigeria so that we can develop this country. We have no other countries than Nigeria. We have to work very hard to ensure that these children are studied well and deserve to be given the opportunity to serve in their capacity as future leaders, so that they can be trained professionally in all aspects of academic excellence. So in the field of science, in the field of art, in the field of medical and other related courses. So it's commendable for the effort of JAMB.
The Senate Committee on Tertiary Institutions and TET fund talks say dem go continue to monitor the 2025 UTME closely, and dem dey fully support all the anti-malpractice innovations wey JAMB don introduce. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Kata Ojesoli, TMC News.